One thing that is new that students don't know how to do is use the Format Painter button. Format Painter is just like copy and paste, but it's not copying what is typed. It's copying what something looks like. So if I were to click on this cell, this contains the word skyline. It's blue and it's got a yellow fill. If I were to hit Format Painter, it's going to copy what the formatting is, which is to change something. It's kind of like the outfit it's wearing. So I've clicked that button. Notice it's got a dotted line around it. And if I come down here, see my cursor has a little paintbrush. If I click one time on this cell that has the formatting word, see how it copied exactly what that cell had? Okay, let's try it again. This up here is my quick access menu. I can click this drop down and choose whatever little item I want to be. If you don't have some of these items, you just click the drop down and click like maybe a new document or save or undo or spell check. Okay, you can add. I could also take away. So I'm going to click new document. I'm going to extend this column. I'm going to type Skyline High School. And I'm going to type my name. In this cell, I'm going to change the font to be purple. I'm going to increase the size. I'm going to change the font to something script, which is cursive. I'm going to fill the cell with orange, bold it. I think that looks great. Now, I want to copy the way it looks. So I'm going to press one time, Format Painter. I now have a dotted line indicating this was copied, and I'm going to click on Dunnels and it will copy the way it looks. Okay, now Format Painter only works once. If you click once, it works once. So I'm going to type a couple more words. Let's say Idaho Falls, let's say Hillcrest, these are different high schools, Rigby, and let's say Shelley. Okay, so here are some different high schools. If I want to use my Format Painter, so I've clicked, and now I'm going to apply it to the Shelley. Notice my cursor no longer has that paintbrush. If I want it to stay on, I have to double click on Format Painter. Once I double click, now if I click, notice my cursor is still a paintbrush, click, still a paintbrush, click. I have to literally turn it off by clicking again up here on the button or hitting escape on my keyboard. Okay, so that is the Format Painter. This is your font group. And the last thing I want to show you is the merge button. Merging means to select a group of cells and combining them into one. So if I type Skyline High School, and in this one I say today is Friday, notice that my text extends on top, right? I can't see it. So if I want to extend this text through all of these cells so it doesn't get bothered, I can merge them. Notice the default is merge and center. So if I only want to merge, I can just do that. If I want to unmerge, this is a toggle switch, which means if I click it on, click it off, click it on, click it off. Okay, so that is merging. Your assignment today is all about formatting cells. You're going to be applying fonts, sizes, and colors. Now, one thing about colors you have to remember is each of the colors have a name. Notice this orange is called Orange Accent 2 Lighter 60. But the colors down here that are called standard colors are just simply called green or orange. The theme colors have shades. So if your instructions give you specific names like gold accent 4 darker 25, make sure you have patience to put your cursor on a color and hover waiting for that color. If this color does not, if a color doesn't show up that you want, you can click more. You can click from these shades. You can also go to custom and maybe go lighter or darker with a shade. You could even click and drag to move this around. Okay. Let me know if I can help you.